What's up everybody, this is Yash Atishay, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the most crucial part of your video. In fact, the only part of the video that can make or break a video. In fact, possibly one of the very few things that can make or break a whole business. And no, I'm not talking about the camera, I'm not talking about the lights, I'm not even talking about the audio. I am talking about content. Yes, content, which seems to be very underrated in today's time in our industry for some reason. See, content is the king, and let me explain you why. Content is the king. You know, this is the king. Everything. Camera, audio, everything exists to serve the king. It is just like a story that you would tell your kids, you know. There is a king in the kingdom and everyone in the kingdom exists to serve the king. If your camera is good, if your audio is good, if your lights is good, but your content is shit, then your king is shit. Then your kingdom cannot be successful, cannot rise. So content is really important. And now that you know content is the king, let me explain you with an example. See, let's say you have a business where you sell coffee. Okay, you roast these coffee beans at your place, you grind them, and then you pack them in a box, in a bottle, in a jar, whatever have you, and now your target is to sell them. Let's say your business model is not about selling the cheapest coffee, your business model is about selling very fine, very smooth coffee which is roasted at a particular 57 degrees Celsius. Now everyone in the audience who is not a coffee aficionado must be thinking, Yash, why 57? Why not 56 or 58? What gives? If you are able to explain a coffee aficionado why it is 57 and not 58, trust me, he will never buy any other coffee other than yours. That is the power of good content, and that is the power of a good video. And that shall be it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I answer them. Hit like if you loved the video and subscribe if you haven't already so you do not miss out on all the amazing action that is coming your way.